Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use gems in Pilgrammed. First, understand that gems are not just shiny trinkets. They are essential for boosting your character's stats and abilities. You'll want to collect as many as possible and learn their unique properties. Proper gem usage can significantly impact your success in challenging encounters, making your journey through the game much smoother and more rewarding. Let's dive into the specifics. To get started, you'll primarily acquire gems by defeating enemies throughout your adventures. Keep an eye out for special drops, as some foes yield rarer gems. Additionally, certain quests will reward you with valuable gems upon completion, so always check your quest log. Once you have a gem, take it to the alchemist in town. They can identify its unique properties, revealing what powerful bonuses it offers for your gear. Now, let's talk about putting those gems to work. Every piece of equipment, from your weapon to your armor, can have a certain number of gem slots. Simply open your inventory, select the item, and drag a gem into an empty slot. Remember, the quality of the gem directly impacts the bonus it provides. A common gem might offer a small boost, while a legendary gem can dramatically increase your power, making you a formidable force. For advanced players, strategic gem combinations are key. Experiment with different gem types to discover powerful synergies that complement your playstyle. For example, pairing a damage gem with a critical hit gem can lead to devastating attacks. Always consider your character's build and what stats you need most. And hey, while you're optimizing your game, why not optimize your finances too? Check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. It's a game changer, just like mastering gems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.